These are literally the most uneven buns the world has ever seen. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing another festival makeup look. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. As always, there's nothing new with that. But I did some cute, well not cute, but I did some buns. Okay, so now that we made things clear that I'm as chaotic as always, I think we should get started with whatever I'm gonna do today. But first off, I'm gonna apply some primer and I'm gonna apply this. This is the NYX Total Control primer. This is gorgeous. Oh, that might have been too much. Wow, my face gets so red when I apply primer. I'm gonna apply the Makeup Forever HD foundation stick. I'm still applying my foundation with my left hand. I don't trust this thumb yet. And I'm going in with a good old Tarte Shape Tape. And yes, I want this look to be glowy, but first off, we're gonna have to make it completely matte. Makeup is just so weird sometimes. If I would not set my face, bitch, I'll be looking like a glazed donut in like 2 minutes. I really want to use colors which I don't use normally. Normally, I use like red shades, pink shades, and I kind of feel like using yellow right now. This is the Viseart editorial palette, which I love to use when it gets to bright colors. Let's just go in with that yellow. Yes, B. Is it weird that I also really want to use this shade? I'm just gonna do whatever I feel like doing right now. So this is the Festival palette by Juvia's Place. By Juvia's? I thought this is called Juvia's Place. I'm gonna apply this right here. I'm just gonna blend it into the yellow lightly. Wow, this is pigmented as hell. I'm gonna use Ophala and I'm gonna apply it down here. Just down here. Wow, I look crazy in the viewfinder. I think I'm going to cut my crease a little bit with the Fila Magnificent Metal in the shade Diamond Dust. I'm going to add a little more of that orange shade. And I kind of really want to use some white eyeliner now. I got this white eyeliner by Ofra Cosmetics. I've never tried it, to be honest. I don't know how to feel about this eyeliner. It's very, very creamy, but also a little bit too creamy. Okay, I really gotta say, this took me a minute. As I'm already wearing a lot of colors on my eyes right now, I think I'm gonna be very basic on my brows. So I think I'm just gonna do them normally. Okay, my brows are on and I think I want to go back in with the white liner and just draw some stuff on my face. I don't really think this is the right eyeliner for this. Maybe you should use some white cream paint, but I don't have anything else right now, so I'm gonna have to work with that. So I'm thinking of like some squiggles, some lines, some dots, I don't know. I always tend to get overboard with drawing stuff on my face, so I need to stop when I still have the possibility to stop. This white eyeliner is really not suitable for this. It's really patchy and just not even, and But anyway, I'm gonna take one of these stick-on jewels. Yes. And I'm gonna use these stick-on jewels to stick on some jewels. Which one should I use? No. Help, how am I gonna... Come on, baby girl. Oh! Ah, fuck. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna just try it with some tweezers. Oh, yay! I think I'm gonna add one more because it was so much fun adding this one. Bitch, where are ya? I think this one is lost forever. R.I.P. Oops, almost ruined my hair. Joke of the day. Oh man, this was the only small one. Oh no, actually there was another one. Okay. I gotta say, I really like this so far. Just gonna add a few more details. Where am malicious? Lashes. I'm gonna use these Doll Beauty lashes in oh, Jasmine. Gotcha. I'm always so scared putting on lashes with a white eyeliner because everyone's gonna see your mistakes. Okay. Can do this. Wow, I was so focused all the time. That's great. Let me just add some mascara real quick so my lashes are not that clockable. I'm gonna add a little bit of Ofala on my lower lash line. Why is there no mirror in there? Oh. And we're gonna blend this out using the yellow. I think I'm also gonna add a little bit of that shade again, but I really don't know where. Maybe like right here. Ooh, I don't know how I feel about this. Okay, now I'm gonna apply some highlighter and I'm gonna apply the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Cocoa Bling. I've heard so many good things about this a couple of years ago. I can't. Excuse this rudacity. I just created this word. Queen. But I want to be even more glowy, and I'm using this Love Dewy Glow Gel, and I'm just gonna add it on my cheeks with my finger. Okay, let's get to the lips. What do I want to do? I think I'm gonna take this lip liner by Jouer in the color Tawny Rose, and I'm just gonna use that to define my lips a little bit. I'm not gonna fill them in or anything. I'm also going to smudge it a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm Lip Gloss. I feel like I need some more glitter. I'm just gonna dip into this glitter right here. It's called Festival Glitter. Nah, I don't like it. Let's take that off again. I think I'm gonna go in with the Stila glitter, which I use on my eyelid. Yes, yes, yes. I think I need some highlighter on my body. Shine bright like a shoulder. Okay, so I just went ahead and put on this choker and my nose piercing. This is actually the finished look. It took me a while, I gotta say. But that also happens when you don't have a plan. But I also gotta say that I'm really glad that I did that and how it turned out. And I actually think no concept is a great concept. I actually just put on my face what I felt like putting on my face that moment. And it's actually so much fun to do. Not everything will work out, but you're gonna learn from your mistakes. And then you're just gonna try something new and maybe that'll work out. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, which is Naomijon on Instagram. Which is Naomijon on Instagram, Naomijon Snap on Snapchat, and the Naomijon on Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.